Hello. So to start the tricolor manicure, you should first file your nails. So I had already filed my nails beforehand, but I will just make some final touches. So what I'm doing is that I'm just rounding off the nail because I want a round shape. You can just shape them as per your desire. If you want square nails, if you want stiletto nails, I'm just going for round nails. So I'm just shaping my nails, and if you want to know where did I get this buffer, just feel free to visit the description box, and also what all products I will be using in the manicure will be mentioned in the description box. So make sure that you check it out. So I'm just giving some final touches, just making sure that my nails are not rough. Make sure that you go in one direction. So after we have filed our nails, we'll go on with some hand cream. So the hand cream which I am using today is by Cowshed. It's a nice brand and it's quite reliable, I feel. It's formulated in England, so I really like their products. This is just a sample size. You can order these from feelunique.com if you want, but I have just dotted some product on my hand, as you can see, and I'll just slather it on the nails, making sure that my hands are soft enough for the manicure. And this will also make sure that the cuticles are healthy. You can also buff away the cuticles after this step. Just take your nail file, and it comes, mine had just come with this cuticle remover inbuilt. So what I'm doing is just going round and round on the nail bed, and all the dead skin and everything is coming off. So after you have buffed your nails and made them look healthy, we'll go with the base coat. And for the base coat you can also use a nice beige one which comes, but I am using a transparent one because I want the layer to be very thin, because we'll be going on with many layers for the tricolor manicure. You can also apply any base coat which is available with you, that is not a problem, but just make sure that the base coat is really very thin and you are not layering it many times. What the base coat will do is that it won't stain your nails, and it will keep your manicure also last longer. So this is what the base coat looks like. It's just a crystal clear coat by Maybelline Color Show. I really like and prefer these Color Show range because firstly they are quite easily available everywhere, and secondly they are quite affordable for the price. So after your base coat has dried up, we'll go with one coat of white nail polish, You can use any white nail polish which is like quite opaque, and make sure that it is not having any sort of sparkle, because we want a matte base coat, matte white base coat for the manicure. So make sure it is not sparkly, because we don't want sparkle going on. So if you are a beginner who is starting off with nail paint, I would suggest just start from the nail bed and swiftly move the brush in the front. Make sure you don't put much pressure, and don't worry if the nail paint is going outside the nail, because we'll fix that later. That is not a problem. So just go on the nail bed, pull it up. Don't stop in the middle, just pull it up. Make sure you don't leave the sides, because that looks really dirty. And yeah, just pull it up. You can start from the center of the nail. Just pull it up. So after we've applied the second white coat, which is the base of the tricolor, we'll go in with the top of the flag, which is saffron in color. So what I'm doing is just painting it orange. Going in the second time to make the color look really very dark. Make sure for this you are just covering the top of the nail, because we want the other two parts of the flag. So for the Ashoka Chakra, in the middle, I've just taken one drop of the blue color and I am just placing it in the middle. I am doing this with the help of a dotting tool, and things become very simple if you use a dotting tool. But if by chance you don't have a dotting tool at home, just take the tip of your pencil or take an old refill and use the nib of that. You can also use a toothpick, the base of the toothpick, in the place of a dotting tool. So this is what it looks like. Yes. The Ashoka Chakra looks like